What's wrong? What is it?
How I love being a woman.
Oh, my angel, come back to me, and I will love you till eternity.
Hi kids! Grabe. Grabe. Anyways, birthday ni Auntie Ruby today. And we're off sa house ni Tita Rica. Because nandito ang
Ang something.
yes. Something. Very good, let's go. Butler! Char lang, lalo access. Let's go! Hi kids! We're here na sa street nila dear Rica. And then, hapit na me. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And she's so excited. And she's so kapoy. Hi, Mickey! Ruby dear, giliba ka na mo.
Tulo na po nakabuking girl sa kuha. Dugri ka na ako po ng anime.
When you're gone, the birthday girl. Born again si dear! Anyways, we're gonna eat na.
Honey, honey. Oh my gosh, yeah. Sir, mga unta ha? Wala din fun. May ice cream na, Berta?
Wala.
May ice cream?
No, ako'y pangayon niya. Naghanay kwarta.
Birthday pa kayo.
Naghanay kwarta. Nangawat lang yung silgi. Bitihan lang silgi.
Anyways, this is our food for now in this era. Ingani lang yung tawa namang food. This is kids. You should know this because soon you will eat this and you will love it. Our traditional and what do you call that? Traditional. Di ron ka pa itawag ng word na kanang imog yung own ba? Kanang signature. Signature sayori with egg. And then pansit. And then samtang duso na pandesal. And then breakfast nila yung hotdog. And then popcorn. And of course, my favorite. I'm gonna hide that one. Hay pagsaba. We have papaya also. We're gonna bring that sa pangaligo. And since we like something to eat talaga always, we have this. I cook this because you know something lang to eat while naligo like that. Yay! That one. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy. We're gonna hide that because we need to secure that. And of course some juice and everything. And we're just so excited to Hindi lang, gamay itong table mo na tayo nag-ipon. Na-milkshake fan. Oh my gosh. Magusaman pa. We need to eat.
Magula na lang po, bakoy pumakaw. No dear, di man shock.
Di pa ka mag-on? Di mag-on na ka?
Di, ano kay kwarta niya? Kasi naman.
Ako buwan. Anyways, kids, like, oh my gosh, kids. This is so saddening, no? I was like, nagluto kong gali, and then everything, and then di pa na sila mangawan. Okay naman. Pero man, kids. Okay. Gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy to see my daughter. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh. Yo, dear, you're right.
Wala na video.
Ay, wala na video.
Ay, dapat mag-wish.
Oo. Tara.
2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Guyop dahil. Sige na.
Sambungi.
Uy,
Axel! Yay! Success! Success! Hey, cute! Dili ka cute, be? Cute? Sumbagot ka cute, be? Kanyabot ka cute. Finally, kids! Makaligo na mi. Makaligo na mi. Good morning, dear. So, daghanin ni tabo. May nila, may katawan, may everything. We're gonna go, we're gonna leave. And then, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Happy christening!
1, 2, 3, go. Hi, kids! Oh my gosh, finally, new arrival kids. Aunt Shaina. Finally, nana siya sa vlog, kids. I'm so happy we're together. Today is Mommy Ruby's birthday. Hello, Mom.
Yeah, because her daughter is watching. Yung mga kids. Say hi to your
If you're watching this, keep watching.
Yes. Okay, we're off to Ligo sa amo ang very, very, very nice and enchanting na I don't know. Anyways, narang mga outfit. Oh my gosh, dear, you're giving. Everyone is giving. And I'm the giving birth of them. And we're just so excited. Hi lang, say hi to my vlog. Uy, gidala niyo isa ka, Kwan? Oh, very good dear. Anyways, kids, I'm so happy. Mama's so happy today. She's so happy. I mean, she's always happy, but extra happy. Cause na-reunite na ang dears. Ah! Although Trixie dear, Mommy Trixie is not here because she has other errands. But yeah.
Wait, how ko na ni Axel ang...
Dagat rani si Shain.
Ay,
Anyways, kids, this part here is the Mount the owner. While that is going, I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, it's already relaxing. Oh, you can feel the breeze. It's so cold. Oh my gosh, kids! Ah!
Buyagan yan yung wait.
Anyways, kids, we're almost there sa Morag Bridge. Pero walay bridge, but we're gonna go through.
Say hi. Hi.
Ayan, dami ng mga kusog. Let's go, be. Kids, we're gonna go through. Over there, oh. Go through na nga, kay para dili kayo init. Sige na! Kids! Ay, oh my gosh, wala kayo kung nadugay anhi diri akin. And like, woo! Oh!
Oh, basta! Mindem!
Hala ako dyan! Wag! Hala ako dyan! Ako dyan! Ah! Hala Ako na to kuhaan. Yay! Akong shade. Di pa tamula ka kung ako shade. Bala na. Isa lang gaya niya. Dear? Gani, dear.
Ibulan na lang na dito.
Gani. Slay about tinker. For success silver miss. Hey! Pagkat-kat sa sabihin. Uy, mas willing lagi ko mahulog akong cellphone kaysa akong shade. Gani.
Tayo yung, oh my gosh, sinyalis na good na. Old na ka, Lola Axel. Finally, nakita na ni Mommy yung shades. And we're off to continue our journey. Like, when I saw the shades, I feel Jesus Christ. Yung Lola Axel. He's making faces na super duper undesirable. He doesn't understand that. I don't wanna tiptoe. Kids, we're here sa among destination. Look at this. You know, kids, this is my childhood. I have so many memories here back when I was little. We used to like labog a rock and then paunahan kami ng yung nagtagalog na ako. Look at that. And that's the deers over there. Yeah, look at this, kids. Oh, so nice. Oh, it's so peaceful, Lord. Thank you, love. I miss here, you know? I've been here for like the other day and then wag ko gipulan. I can go back here by the day tomorrow and then gyapon ko pulan. Yeah. You know, in this era, Mommy is there. It's so nice kay walay tao. It's gonna be us. It's made for deer. Today is really for deer. Don't you like that? Kita lang. It's like our own exclusive set up. Like we're just gonna have a picnic. Look at that. Look at that. Kids, you see that clear version there? You see that? Yes, exactly. Yeah, we're haman tadapit. I haven't took a video here, but look at that. It's so clear. Kids, I'm so happy. Mama's so happy. See? Kamu mga judger, manggudayon ni sila mga kids and then they haven't seen it pala. Anyways, dira ta mag-set up.
What's sa pagliho kay nag-loading. Pagliho ka kay nag-loading. Sa pagliho ko pagani.
1, 2, 3. Sige, bada, bada. Ako diri ako mga kumain dito. Very coffee.
What's up?
Oh my God! Dapat i-video na natin! Oh, ikaw may diversity dear din. Ikaw na i-play. I-play na, ikaw na siya. Kibalik kita niya ang backpassing. Ano rin? Feel man to! Admire na to siya. Have fun, play kamay. Ay, oo, dungat daw. Balik! Balik! Ready? Ay, sabi na. Sinayay ko. Ready? 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 Pagay at tayo nila. 1, 2, 3. Mga loko pa rin. May tama na. Ay, pagkakawin na ka. Pagkakawin na ka.
tabi ka ng ano. Very dikit. Wala lang. Ana guys. Sige, unsay inyong buhatan na. Sige, dira ka sil mo ambak ko. Tapos ka mo ambak sab mo. Uy!
Agay!
Go, dear. Kids, Mama's so happy. Wow, look at si Uncle, oh. Uncle, say hi to my vlog. Simula pagkabata, kids mo, lawan gid for me yung mommy. Thank you to our videographer, our photo taker, and everything. Kids, look at here. Oh, it's so pretty. Just like your mommies. Look at there, kids. I think that is so nice there, oh. Ganay mo ambak dito sa puno, kids. Oh my gosh. Uy, mga ambak man ang mga bata dito, and I feel like a kid. So, maambak ko. Uy, ganay, tatanawon. I feel like... Salamat gani. Kay wabay agad tayo control sa life. Yeah, looy ay.
Kuhan ka ng
Go sis.
alas 10 daw. Alas 8 na to, tapos kuhan ka ng...
Kids, look at that. Oh, so pretty.
Murag yung nakabother sa ko. Huli ka kay? Luyay na. Kay? Sila man ang last.
Gusto ko mo dito din. Videohan ako yung mga mommy. Let's hope na dili mahulog ang cellphone.
Pero dili mo ko niya.
Nindot niya, Isel, nindot. Oh my gosh, nibak kapling ninyong lolo.
Para tayo dear.
Sorry guys, na-stress daw ko.
What dear? Pagla. We're eating the day. Wanga. Di ba yan? Ito ba yan?
Uy, unsay fish, dili man magkaon ng carbohydrates ang fish. Super duper, labi naglami po dahil mga kauban.
The silence ba?
Oo, nag-clarify pa unsa gi conclude pa
Dear,
sa
papasa, dear.
Hoy, langoy mo sa ilalom, ganahay mo tanawan. Susil na. Ganahay gyud.
Magsalong dami sa ilalim, dear.
Sige, oh.
Yawa sila dito, no? Ay! Dili na! Pahamak ka rin si Dear! Pahamak si Dear!
Naka-play pa? I-video na ba ko pa daw ito?
Aray, ah!
Samo siya. Baik na ito, samo.
Dear, sorry! Dear, sorry!
Ayaw sa sis. I-follow lang ko ha.
Sige, isa, padulong nila ha! Padulong namin! Sel! Padulong namin, Sel!
Sige lang kayo sa.
Ganit, Dear, no? Kaya nag-sparkle.
Dito lang, dear.
Alin, madala mag-picture tag-isa-isa. Hoy, dala tabi kay sparkling. Dear, mag-picture tag-isa-isa. Sige, sila na sa akong camera, Sel. Okay, tika-vlog you, bro.
Dito na sis.
Mugali.
Sel!
Pagdali na.
Basta isa dali. Ayun, nagkipagkatawa siya.
Ano naman ni sila?
Ay,
Dugayin yung mga OA. Uy, di. Sel. Sige na, please na lang sila. Last na lang dito. Lobat naman sa akin.
Sige na.
Sige, tindog lang ta.
Butan ka bukot. Alayo gamay si pagtanong ko. Mugol ako nang kita ng sel. Pwede ka dito sa ubos.
Itom man. Itom.
Sige lang, ano lang. Hari bupit. Mas ni kali tamu.
Yun na.
Dali na.
Ay, isang kainig bugot.
Hoy, yung sa'yo ni Burot! Sige, dear, ganahay ka tanawan, dear. Di lang kayo kaklaro kay syempre, kung ano man. Pagdali na mo.
Hindi lang, idagan tao. Isa na ba na?
Sige, go, apas. Uy, ganahay mo tanawon! Uy, ganahay mo tanawon, dear. Go na, dear. Uy, ganahay mo. Nara, dear. Mga sirena na walay pa.
Ako to di picture.
Uy, ganahay mo.
Ba't sa likod na din? Wala ka na bilong.
Bala na, basta kay ganahay mo.
Yung siya inamit ang...
Sige. Oh my gosh, dear, very charming. Oh my God, na firefly ni Duol.
Ako dear.
Oh.
Ito, siya na daw. Ay, sorry.
Pagdali, go.
Ikaw na naman, bito mo yung picture tong...
Hindi, girl. Sige, dear lingkod. Uy, I can't stop filming. Ganahay, Jude. Gani.
Sobrang Latina.
Sobrang Latina!
Alena. Ngawawi. Mula lagi tagipang bila.
Murag tagipang obaba. Kana, dear, go, dear, slay. Kulay capture ano niya. Kung di malubat, full storage.
Yeah, let's go.
Unyo, no!
Oh. Hey kids, it's a wrap. Naanagid mi ani makita. Kasi mura nagbupatay.
We go.
Naanamim ani makuha na ma-picture. Oh my God, I love you, Lord.
Ano?